Hello everybody, I'm going to switch from my screencast-o-matic to our daily review slide today. It is Wednesday or Thursday, November 17th or 18th, depending on which block day you're with us. And so we're going to take a look at the DCA. A forest area in California experienced a wildfire 3 years ago. Since the fire, secondary succession has taken place. Researchers have observed the following number of different sized plants. What is the best explanation for the recent decline in the number of grasses on the forest floor? So we look at that chart, we check things out, notice how the grasses are starting to decrease, and then the shrubs really increased, and so did those small trees. So I would say if we're looking at all this, small trees and shrubs can cast shadows, and the grasses can no longer get the sunlight they need to survive. That's actually not bad. The grasses can no longer get the amount of water they need to thrive. Well, we haven't talked about water. Small trees have taken up all the soil spacing. Again, we haven't talked about that. Or the average temperature has risen to high. Again, haven't talked about that. So I think A is our best choice. So let's take a look at our learning target. I'm going to review and demonstrate my knowledge of the ecology unit, including competition for ecosystems, long and short-term environmental system changes, natural selection, and human dependency on the ocean. I can describe how organisms compete for abiotic and biotic factors in an ecosystem. I can explain natural selection, and I can recognize human impact on ocean systems. It's a lot to do, but it's everything we've been talking about every day. So we're going to do a Kahoot review live in class before taking the DCA. If you are at home, review your digital notebook and then take the DCA. After the Kahoot, in class, for my friends in class, you will take the Unit 4 DCA, that is the Unit 4 Ecology DCA that's located in Schoology. That DCA is in the Unit 4 Ecology Material folder. That one's a red color this time. When you finish, do the Motion Ed puzzle located in the red folder below the DCA link, and use any leftover time to check grades, make sure your digital notebook is complete, and submit that notebook. All right. We'll see you all on Friday.